So it was you who take my hoodie. Take it off.
Bro, I'm just borrowing.
Well, I don't care. Take it off.
What's borrowing?
Shut up. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off.
What's that for?
Take it off.
No.
Because I want my hoodie.
No.
Hurry up and take it off. Take it off.
Get there, Tahoaroa. Fucking fighting. Get up right now. I can't believe this always happened to you. Ah, eyes on me. Now, what's going to happen is you two are going to go out into the ngahere and start bonding with each other.
Uncle Tipe.
Ka! Kati, I said my piece. Putaki waho. Boys.
It's cooler now, man.
Yo, Marama. Come for a walk with us. Yo, meet us at the quarry. Yeah, see you then.
That's mine, not yours.
Whatever.
Yo, are you ready to go?
Yo.
Is that us?
Yep.
Yo, what's that?
Guys, let's go check it out. Look at that. It's glowing.
You first.
First. Right there. Are you sure? Come. It's like glowing. It's weird. Are you hearing that? Like saying my name. I'm pulling it closer and it's saying it louder. I push it away and it's saying it quieter.
You ready?
No, this is my glowing rock. It's mine. You know what? See this? This is glowing. It's weird.
Maybe just put it down.
Do you hear it?
Yeah.
No.
It's calling my name.
Maybe just put it down.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Maybe just
First
put
you
it.
stole my hoodie. You're not gonna steal my glowing rock.
Just put it down, bro.
No.
I'm not sure you should be touching it.
Hell no. Let's just go. Bring this with me, Johnny.
You've been
It's weird. It's calling my name.
You're just crazy.
Am I crazy?
Paranoid.
You're paranoid.
You're paranoid.
Look at you. You're paranoid. You look paranoid.
Glowing rock.
Calling your
crazy.
name. Calling your name.
Tane. Tane. Tane.
Honey.
Right. Tane.
Honey. Honey. Wake up.
Tane. Tane.
Fuck a mother, Tani. Whakarongo mai.
No!
Tani.
Tane.
Tani.
Right, Tane.
Tani. What happened, Tani? Tani.
Tane?
What the hell?
What happened?
I was somewhere and I heard voices and it was, never mind.
Are you alright?
Yeah. I'm sorry, man.
I'm sorry too.
Can we go now?
Yeah, let's go.
It's not okay.
Should we throw that, like, so no one else finds it?
Stop it.